guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashwarya and today we are going to do my nighttime skincare routine. First, I am using this Himalayan brightening face wash. This helps to brighten up my skin and gives me a very nice glow. It is perfect for a skin like mine because I have a very dry skin and it helps to lock the moisture of my skin and giving me a very nice glow. And as you guys can see how much my skin is glowing just after using this face wash. Next, I am using this Retinol of Minimalist. This helps with the fine line, wrinkles, minimizes pore size and brighten up your skin. I use only 1% to 0.3% and make sure that you don't use this more than once or twice in a week. Next, I am using this Niacinamide of the Ordinary. This is my absolute favorite product. It has helped to brighten up my skin, hydrate my skin and also give me a very beautiful glow. And this is how I like to apply it. It looks like I'm crying, which I am not. I like to blend it softly on my skin and I like to sit it for a minute and let my skin absorb it on its own before moving on to the another product. Next, I am using this vitamin E plus lactic acid of the Derma. This is the quantity which I like to keep on my skin. This is sulfate and paraben free and this is something that which you can use in your nighttime and your daytime as well. I usually like to use this in my nighttime and this has helped me with my hyperpigmentation and helps to moisturize and hydrate my skin. So my nighttime skincare routine is almost done, and lastly I am using this Maybelline ka baby lips. This is something which I really love. It helps to moisturize my lips and I know that everyone will say that this is something which we used to use in our school days, but I still love using this. Please be kind to everyone including yourself and make sure that you practice self-love because how you speak to yourself matters. So that's it for the video guys. I hope that you love my video and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. Take care.